7 Sigma Off-Grid. So we are currently on a hunt for road base and gravel. Being that our property is in such a remote location, several companies have declined to deliver, and the only company that I've found that will deliver is trying to charge $2,200 for 1 truckload of road base. And that's not gonna happen, so in the interim, I'm gonna have to just start bringing up small bags until I can find a company that wants to deliver.
How many bags did you get?
Well,
you wanna get more? Alrighty.
And that's not ideal, but I'm gonna have to do what we have to do to try to prepare before the rainy season starts at the end of this year. It is what it is.
See ya. We are in awe of how beautiful the mountains are. And soon when it rains, this will all be green. Soon, this will all be snow. And we'll show you that as well. That is beautiful. Did you read it? What you reading?
A book.
The Farmer's 2024 Almanac?
Say it.
Almanac?
Almanac.
Almanac? And what is that book about?
Almanac hurts.
Oh, my neck hurts. What is the book about?
All kinds of stuff. Weather forecast and
Gardening.
home remedies and
Home remedies.
all kinds of stuff.
Let me see. Go back. Let me see the front. Ooh, it says the original Farmer's Almanac. Ooh, that's a book we all can use, especially homesteaders, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's a good book. Cool. I'll let you finish reading and you can tell me all about it. We are opening our Starlink and we're going to try to set this up today. Let's see what we got in the box. What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Ooh. What is that? Is that it for real?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, that's interesting.
Rookie mistake number 106. I forgot to download the Starlink app to my phone before we came up because we don't have any internet service here, and no cell phone service, so I'm unable to download the link. So this was a fail. Great. Oh well. So I'll have to just download that when we get back and be prepared for next week.
Yeah. What are you doing? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to tackle a small issue, and that is the beginning of the driveway. Right now there's a bunch of sand that's at the beginning of the driveway, and any type of rain or snow that happens, that's going to turn into mud and slush, and that will prevent us from driving up our driveway to get to our home. So today we are going to tackle that and lay some rocks down. I say we because I'm supportive of my husband. So I will help him if he needs me. After we remove some of the sand, we're going to lay some rocks down in hopes that will give us some traction for us to get up the driveway to get to our home. So we're going to do that today, and thank you for joining us. Let's see what happens. Bye. Oh, so you just put the pallet under the gravel. Oh, and that way you could just roll it. Look at you, all smart.
Except not that smart. Look.
What?
Still
well, yeah, that might be a problem.
Damn smart.
That might be a problem.
Now we can roll.
Well, that's cool. You can at least roll it. See, them pallets were good for something, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's right. Put them brakes on. Ta-ta. So we're going to go down to the driveway, and we have two vehicles, the van and the tractor. So I'm gonna try to tackle the tractor, and he is gonna drive the van.
It's gonna be fun. Yes. Take your foot off the brake. Push it down. Yep, now lift it up. Now you're good. See the arrows? Look at the arrow. Backwards, forwards.
I had to do a refresher lesson because I forgot.
All right, don't kill yourself. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to ride.
Don't forget to ride.
Bon voyage.
Bon voyage.
Pray for this child that she don't kill herself. I think we should get down to the bottom of the driveway by next month at the speed she's going.
It's a mess.
This is how thick this sand loose dirt is.
And that's gonna turn into what? Mud.
Yeah, it's a lot. This whole area is that deep. It's like a beach. I don't think just dropping gravel on top of this is smart.
So you're gonna remove the dirt first and then put rock down as much as you can?
Yep.
Yeah, that might do it.
I don't know.
Okay, so one thing while my husband is working, one thing I just wanted to talk about, and one thing I realized is that we really have to think about everything, because even the smallest little thing that you think may not be a problem can be a problem. Who would have thought that a little bit of sand would be a problem? Even the culvert, being able to get in and out of your property. And so that's not really something that I thought about, but even the small things you have to think about. So, lesson learned. So I just want to show you how much sand we actually had in that driveway area. He basically flattened it and got as much sand up as possible. And we kind of put it over here. And you see that big pile? All of that was in the driveway. Now just imagine if that was in the driveway and it rained. We would probably have gotten stuck too. It's better. Way better. But what's up with all of that right there?
Right here?
No, right there.
That. Shit, I really like sand. There's a whole bunch of little rocks. Look at the consistency of this.
Oh, it is like, it's really like sand.
Strange. I'm sure y'all gonna let us know in the comments what to do with this. Because I don't know what to do with this.
Maybe it'll have some use at a later time.
Don't dig a hole.
Should I smooth it out?
You're supposed to scoop it up. I think I'm gonna laugh with them.
That's better, right? Yeah.
No.
What do we have there? What is it?
Driveway cloth. I don't know, cuz.
What is it that you don't know?
What the hell I'm doing? Yeah.
You just tried something?
Mm-hmm.
Well, whatever we try, we're going to figure out when it rains. Mm-hmm. We're going to see when it rains, rather.
We have enough rock. This is going to be interesting. So do you do the lengthen and open it? That's how you do it. I'm smart sometimes, Charlie.
Sometimes. So we are going to try to put the, what is it called?
What?
What is this called again?
What?
This.
A mess?
It's called a mess.
Hot mess.
We are doing a hot mess right now. What we're going to try to do We're gonna try to cover the length of the driveway. That's what we're trying to do.
Not the length of the driveway.
Well, not the width of the driveway. The width. My apologies. The width of the driveway. That's what we are going to try to at least cover. Because right now, when it rains, there's a pool of water that sits right here where my husband is located. And
Get off the phone, come help me.
okay. There's a pool of water that sits right here. So we're gonna try to cover this spot, right?
Yeah. This is bootleg as hell. Super duper bootleg.
Why is it bootleg?
Because that's bootleg.
Oh.
Allow me to take these nails out.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of dumb.
Why is it dumb?
It's gonna be alright. Who knows what tomorrow will bring? Soon tomorrow will be our yesterday. Take each one a moment at a time, trying to make changes like the first. We had all good days and bad days, stormy weather, sunshine and light haze, slam doors and making love on the floor. Yet we know tomorrow's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. Think about the blessings that we had all this time.
You get some traction.
Yeah. Sometimes there's not enough rocks. Well, it'll give you some traction. Maybe.
All right, you just need to do 420 something more feet.
Is that how long it is? Well, we could do it in sections over a period of time. Over a period of decades, I guess. We'll have the driveway done when we're about 80.
What you guys just call some trucks with some gravel. Bring some road base. Because we can't.
Why?
Too remote. Called a bunch of places. Nobody's trying to come up this far. And the ones that are trying to charge like, what do they say? Like $2,000 a truckload.
Oh.
Yeah, so. Yeah. We need a recession, then we'll get gravel. When times get hard for them, I bet you they'll do it cheaper.
Yeah.
We'll come up and do it for you for $600.
Yeah. That is a lot of driveway to do, though.
Yep.
Rent's due, baby needs new shoes. Can I polish up the old to look like new? Cost of living, can it get any higher? Can life give promotions? Cause I'm tired of the position I'm in. Can I just turn back and start again? The game of life is not meant to be won, so I'll run my course, so I'll sing it. Fine by me. Tomorrow's gonna be another day.
A lot of gravel.
Sit back and watch the completion of your work.
The failure.
It's not a failure.
You need a lot of gravel.
Oh, we'll get there. Just bits and pieces at a time.
Mm-hmm. You just take this square. How many more of these squares you think you need to do the whole driveway?
About 100. 100 squares to get up to the house.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah. I sense disappointment in you, my master. No?
Nope.
Okay. So we got a little bit done today. We wanted to get that done because where we actually put the rock down, it actually pools. There's when it rains, there's a bunch of water that pools in that area, and it gets a little muddy in that area. And we got stuck there a couple of times. Well, a lot muddy. We got
Can't even get up the driveway muddy.
Yeah, we got stuck there a couple of times. Mm-hmm. So we at least wanted to get that done before it actually rained again, because it's supposed to rain when?
Next week.
Next week.
Just a little bit. Enough to make a mess.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens.
So we'll come back next week and see what happens.
And we're going to wash all the way across the road.
Well, hopefully they don't wash across the road, but we at least got
That much done.
Yeah, that much. I mean, it's small, but you know, we got something done, and we accomplished what we wanted to accomplish.
Job done. Job not done.
Job not done.
Job not done.
Not quite yet.
Kobe Bryant. Job done. Job not done.
Okay, Mamba mentality.
Right.
But job not done, not quite yet. We're just at the beginning phases of completing this driveway area here. But we at least did get some of the beach sand off the main driveway.
Much better.
So it's much better. You know, it is a little bit harder so we can actually drive on it because our tires were spinning in the sand. So this is much better. So
Yes, it is.
yeah.
Job done on that one.
Job done on that one. So I'm just going to close it off on job done. Like we got something complete. So thank you guys so much for watching us, and we'll talk to you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.